There are people here who spend all year waiting for today. People who care about this day as much as anything else in the world. For us, it's about pride in where we're from and who we are. And understanding that these 2 minutes are timeless. It all started before anyone alive can remember. But it's easy to see why the Derby came to be here, in Kentucky, and not anywhere else. Why it belongs here, why it endures here. The bluegrass, that's actually as green as any horse could dream of grazing on. The limestone that sets the taste of bourbon apart the instant you put it to your lips. The sense of style that dares you to be different and is always sure to welcome you in. And that's just the start of what makes this day at this place unlike anything else in the world.
And they're off in the Kentucky Derby.
And why, if you love racing,
50 to 1.
and you love parties, if you love the action,
Race of a lifetime. I don't believe it.
and the energy and the soul of life itself, today feels like home. Who's gonna win? It could be any one of them.
It will be Carpe Diem.
Materiality's got the lead. American Pharaoh.
What's gonna happen? That's the point. No one knows.
Dortmund, another superb performance.
So welcome back to Churchill Downs on the first Saturday of May, where the story of the Kentucky Derby continues with chapter 141. Around here, we wait for today all year long. The race, the party, and the reminder of how it feels to be part of a celebration so timeless.